Good day, everyone. Today, I'm introducing you to a simple but powerful pocket option trading strategy using the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo and the OsMA indicator. These two tools together give you clean, high-probability signals, and the results speak for themselves. Throughout this session, you'll see consistent wins across multiple pairs, all using $50 trades on a 15-second expiry. The setup is straightforward. We're with the Ichimoku purple Kijun Sen line, acting as our key dynamic level, and the OsMA set to 10, 20, and 24 running below the chart. Now take a look at CHF JPY OTC. After a strong extended downtrend, price has reached a really good reversal spot, pushed well below the Ichimoku line and beginning to base out. The OsMA, which was deep in negative territory during the sell-off, is now pulling back towards zero, telling us momentum is shifting. Our trend crosses with the Ichimoku purple line. The OsMA is heading toward its middle range. Ideal conditions for a 15-second sell entry. We place the trade. $50, sell direction, 15 seconds, with the 5-second Heiken Ashi chart open to read momentum in real time. When price stretches far from the Ichimoku line and the OsMA histogram begins crossing back toward its middle range, that is your signal. No need for 10 indicators, just these two working together. And on this one, we got a loss. I want to be completely honest with you about that because losses happen. But this method consistently delivers a 70 to 90% success rate across your sessions. One loss does not define the strategy, your overall results do. Stay disciplined, trust your signals, and keep trading smart. Now make sure to have the 5-second Heiken Ashi, and look at this, same pattern as before. The OsMA is sitting right in its middle balance state and price is hugging below the Ichimoku line. This is a textbook of a repeated signal. High probability for another move going downward. This is also where you can confidently double your stake or apply martingale. We took the sell, and this one closed green. $96 payout, $46 profit. Perfect trading setup. Now moving over to other pair, and this is another clean entry signal. The candle is touched right back up to the Ichimoku purple line, and the OsMA is shifting from its lower support zone back toward the middle. That tells us momentum is recovering upward. We take the buy, $50, 15 seconds. And the trend nudges higher just as expected. Trade closes green, $91.50 payout, $41.50 profit. Another solid result. Now switching over to AUD USD OTC, and this is another clear signal. Prices crossed right through the Ichimoku purple line, and the OsMA histogram is rolling over from the top heading downward. That's our confirmation to trade sell. We place the $50 trade, 15 seconds, sell direction. And unfortunately, this one closes at a loss. Zero payout. But as I've said before, losses are part of trading. No strategy wins every single time, and we don't hide that here. Right away, we move to GBP AUD OTC, and this is a really clean setup. Price action is crossing back up through the Ichimoku purple line from below, and the OsMA is shifting back toward the middle and starting to push upward. That's a strong buy confirmation. We take the trade. $50, buy, 15 seconds. And this one plays out beautifully. Trade closes green, $96 payout, $46 profit. Exactly what the method is designed to find. And one more, Euro USD OTC. Same read. Price is crossing the purple line. OsMA is giving us a clean upward shift from its balance zone. We take the buy. $50, 15 seconds. And again, the market follows through. Trade closes green, another $96 payout, $46 profit. Perfect win to close out this sequence. See the rest of the video and follow us for more trading strategies like this, and see perimeter settings at the description below. This content is for educational purposes only. Trading involves risk. Past results do not guarantee future returns.